A Guy Who Was Late. It is the story of a late man for an outing who showed up at the railroad station. He pounced onto the most readily accessible train. He napped off for some time, and after awaking, saw the train thundering along at max throttle towards an obscure objective. He started asking everybody where the train was going. He demanded that the train stop to let him off. The more energized he became, the more different travelers, shockingly quiet and untrained, appeared to be baffled by his contact. At long last, an old man advised him, "Don't you realize this train has just a single objective? There is nothing left but to utilize our lifespan to foster for the brain, looking for edification for us the others. We have it that one day we will bite the dust. So even though you can't handle that, you can make the best out of his train ride called life." The moral: rather than revealing the dimness, light a flame and make light and make the best out of every day. You have this to inspire you. Have a nice day. People star MS Murthy.
2 BHK, 3 BHK, shops, restaurant, supermarket and commercial. Available for rent in Kolattur. Nearby Meridian Hospital, Kumaran Hospital, backside of Red Terry. Please contact 9034555554.
நம்ம வாழ்க்கையில கிடைக்கிறது கிடைக்காம இருக்காது, கிடைக்காம இருக்கிறது கிடைக்கவே கிடைக்காது. அந்த மாதிரி கிடைக்கவே முடியாத ஒரு விஷயம் டக்குன்னு கிடைச்சிட்டா கிடைச்சாச்சு. நம்ம KRM 99 டிலைட்ஸ்ல லேக் வியூ அபார்ட்மெண்ட் வசதியோட மெட்ரோ ரயில்வே ஸ்டேஷன் எதிரில், அதுவும் கொளத்தூர்ல பிளாட்ஸ் எல்லாம் அவைலபிளா இருக்கான். உடனே பிளாட்ஸ் புக் பண்ணுங்க, ஃபேமிலியோட சந்தோஷமா இருங்க.